How to get started in earning money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers earning opportunities, making it as one of the fastest growing industry in the World Wide Web today. It produces billions of dollars worth of income yearly. That is why many people are getting involved in it. However, most of them are just getting into the jive of earning money without a concrete plan. You will have no strategies to be implemented, no guidelines to be followed. In case that you are planning to get yourself involved in affiliate marketing, bear in your mind that it is a serious work. Though it is one of the easier ways of earning additional income, it still requires effort, perseverance, and a clear plan of action from your starting point up to the finish line. To start things with, here are some of the elements that you need to consider in engaging yourself in affiliate marketing. Having your little home office is the initial element that you need to consider in starting your affiliate career. Have your office workspace comfortable to work with. Make sure that it has enough illumination and your personal computer has enough ventilation as well. You must have some basic knowledge of trading online. It is necessary to be well trained in order to achieve success in this career. In case you are still unfamiliar of the system, you can get the necessary training that you need. You can start by looking for some affiliate marketing professionals who already earn substantial extra income and let them guide you on the system. The internet also offers different resources and conference timetables, which you can attend to learn. Set a realistic target so that you can put the necessary plans to reach it. For instance, $1,000 is attainable if you are a first-time affiliate marketer. Since the popularity of affiliate marketing is increasing, it leads to an increase of earning opportunities. Now, you will ask yourself, how will I choose the right affiliate marketing program, and which of it will give me that good chance of earning a substantial income? The preceding sections can help you decide on those matters pertaining to affiliate marketing. These will help you evaluate different opportunities and saving your personal resources as well. The commission. Of course, that is the bottom line. How much will you earn from a sale? There is no point of endorsing a product or a service if you will not earn from it. It will lead you in spending more on marketing it rather than making sales. Stick on a program that offers high commission values, possibly on a 50% basis. Traffic on the merchant's website. Try to know the traffic at the merchant's site is receiving. You can use this standard for you to determine which you will affiliate. If a certain website ranked in the top 100,000, this means that website has a good volume of traffic and it has vast amount of affiliates. If it is ranked below 500,000, then it means you get either a little opportunity or nothing at all. Always conduct some research if the merchant site is getting good web traffic. It will help you decide where that gold mine is hiding. Payout periods. It is important to know how often you will receive your paychecks. There are merchants that release the commission of their affiliates in weekly basis. Others are monthly or quarterly. Your target will not be met if your financial resources will run out. Tracking cookies. Usually, potential customers will just be making some visit and will not make any purchase immediately. It is important that the merchant's website use cookies to track these customers so that you will be able to get the credit once he returns and buys anything in that site. The longer these tracking cookies last, the higher the chance you will be paid. Merchant's promotional resources. In advertising, promotional resources are vital elements. Check the type and quality of these promotional materials that they are offering to their affiliates. Look if there are articles or reviews posted in free article sites, special offers, and free samples. Sometimes, it is wise that you use your own advertisement strategies. There are affiliate programs that use the same ads over and over again. By placing some fresh ads, the impression of the prospect is that it is a new product. Affiliate marketing is full of surprises. Follow the aforementioned starting elements and pointers, and start your affiliate career by hitting a gold mine.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.